In this video, we'll explore the Intelligent Intake in Procurement feature in Workday. Intelligent Intake is a brand new single front door to procurement in Workday. Powered by AI, this feature simplifies your journey to purchasing goods and services. To begin, let's navigate to the Intelligent Intake report. Intelligent Intake gives you one centralized landing page to start all your procurement tasks, both inside and outside of Workday. You no longer need to know the exact task or form to use. Just tell Workday what you need. The page is designed for simplicity. At the top, you have a search bar where you can ask questions or search for the item you want to purchase. Below, you'll find quick links. These are direct shortcuts to high-frequency tasks or specific forms you might need often. Say I need to create an RFP. Instead of searching for the Request Non-Catalog Items task, I can just enter my request here. The Workday AI acts as a reasoning engine, taking your query and analyzing the procurement team's internal routing rules. It quickly selects the best potential route for you to procure that item. You can select the link provided to take you straight to the Strategic Sourcing Project intake form, saving you time and eliminating guesswork. Let's navigate back to the Intelligent Intake landing page. Intelligent Intake can route you to tasks both inside Workday and to external applications. For example, if I'm searching for new server software, I can enter that in the search bar. The AI recognizes that software requests are configured to use a third-party application, such as Salesforce. I get a response directing me to their catalog, and I can select the link to go straight there using single sign-on. The feature can also direct you to the correct person or team. If you want to speak to procurement, the AI delivers the general inquiry route with rich text instructions. I'll ask if I can speak to someone using the search bar. This rich text response can include items like website links, phone numbers, or even a mail-to link that automatically drafts an email to the procurement team when selected. By using Intelligent Intake, you get smart direct assistance to fulfill your request, minimizing data input and ensuring you immediately start on the right path.